This is BOA 950 machine, EvoQuip's first ever cone crusher, marking a major milestone in our global product range. Designed for customers around the world, it delivers high performance crushing, consistent product quality, and intelligent automation within a compact and mobile package. It reflects EvoQuip's commitment to global standards of design and manufacturing excellence. At the heart of the BOA 950, it has proven Automax TC1000 cone crusher. It delivers excellent reduction, strong throughput, and a highly consistent product shape. It gives operator the flexibility to perform across a wide range of applications. In BOA 950 machines, we have options of long throw, short throw, and different type of liner for different type of applications. BOA 950 machine has high performance CAT engine. It has direct drive system which ensure smooth power delivery and lower fuel consumption. Material is delivered through a robust wear resistance feed hopper designed to ensure smooth, consistent material flow even when handling abrasive or irregular feed. An integrated metal detection system protects the chamber, helping to reduce unplanned downtime and maintenance. The product conveyor delivers clean, uniform output and allows the BOA 950 to build stockpiles or integrate easily with downstream screening or secondary crushing equipment. To maximize efficiency, the BOA 950 features an intelligent bowl level sensor that continuously monitors chamber load and automatically adjusts the feed rate, maintaining optimal crushing pressure, improving product consistency, and reducing component wear. BOA 950's all functions are managed through intuitive control display. Operators can easily adjust CSS setting and monitor key machine data in real time, enabling safer operation, faster setup, and more informed day-to-day decision making. Built on a rugged tracked undercarriage, BOA 950 can be repositioned quickly and safely across challenging terrain. Despite its performance capability, it remains compact for transport and provides excellent access for daily maintenance. BOA 950 machine delivers reliable and consistent performance across the wide range of material such as granite, limestone, iron ore, and many more. EvoQuip Tailing provides real-time machine monitoring with live location, running hour, and production data accessible from anywhere. It improves machine productivity and helps in service planning.